Good afternoon. Again, this is Dong. We have a project this afternoon. It's summertime and the weather is different and it's really hot out there. But even if it's hot, we need to go out and relax sometimes, especially in the beach or in some high places to feel. Wow, we're using this for camping trips, but this one has no air conditioning unit. Okay, there is no air condition. It's basically a car that you can drive out there without, however, having these amenities of the air conditioning unit. Okay, so we have a project this afternoon. Okay, I'll show you the project. Of course, you know what is this. Okay, let me focus this first. Okay, now this is a cooler. Okay, made by Orocan, a locally made cooler. So we will convert this one into an air conditioning unit, if I may say, or a cooler. Not really an air conditioning unit in a literal sense, but just a cooler. So I'll show you what's inside. Okay, now if we open this one, okay, we have here the ductings. Okay, we have here the electric pump. Okay, water pump. This is 12 volts. Okay, this one is actually used in an auxiliary fan for your radiator or your for your air conditioning unit. Okay, so we'll use this one. So we have here just an ordinary hose. Okay, and also we have here the evaporator for the air condition. Okay, now there are other things such as these brackets and some bolt and nuts that we will use this afternoon. Okay, now what we will do is that we will convert this into a cooler. Okay, we will drill two holes right here, another one here. So we will be placing our evaporator right here. Okay, so we will cut this in this, the inlet and the outlet. Okay, we will cut these two tubes, and then once this one is placed here, we will be using brackets, okay, to hold this evaporator, and we will be placing this one here on top, and then ductings to place on top. Okay, where the hole is actually placed. Okay, to be placed there. Okay, we will be using this water pump, okay, to be submerged in there, of course, with the ice. Okay, with ice and some water right there. So the hose will be placed here, right there. Also, once the hose is there, this will now pump water going directly to this inlet. So once the water is being pumped going to this evaporator, now the water will circulate on all of these rows. Okay, and then this will be cold because this will be pumping cold water coming from there, from the bucket full of ice cubes and of course cold water. And then once we circulate there, of course the water will go out again. Our auxiliary fan now will blow the air from this direction. Okay, sucking the air from the outside going in. Okay, and circulating right there, and then going out right here where the evaporator is located portion, and then the ductings. Now the ductings, now the cold air, or rather the cool air, will be coming out of this ductings. the negative and the positive leads on the battery of the solar equipment. Okay, and this is now the cooler. Okay, we'll try to turn on the switch. Okay, the air coming out is cold, and we'll see inside. And there you go. That okay. See, there's Asia. Okay, cold. Water is cold. Okay. There's the pump, and then water is being pumped out in this evaporator hole. So it's really cold right here. See? It's cold. Okay. The air coming out is cold. So there you go. That's our cooler for this camper and to be used during the summertime. Thank you very much.